Let us see the procedure for indoor joint installation. While connecting the elements of L&T's S-line bus duct together, you have to make sure that their contact surfaces are clean and free from contaminants like dust, moisture, etc. The first step for the joint installation is to align the left end of one element to the right end of the joining element by following the tag number label given on each element as shown. Remember to follow the direction of the arrow, and the same should be from source to load. One end of each element will have a uniblock joint installed, and the other end would be the conductor end. Next, slide the conductor end into the joint end in such a way that the conductor and enclosure sides are properly seated within the uniblock joint. This is required to avoid insulation and insulator damage. Pull or push the bus duct by hand or using the joint puller until the distance between enclosures of both elements is maintained at 250 mm. Please take care to slide the bus ducts only till the stopper provided so as to get an equal overlapping of 45 mm between the joint conductors and the element conductors from both sides for perfect joining. Uniblock joint has a bolt at the center with 6 mm gap on both sides between the bolt and the conductor to take care of expansion and contraction. When the two elements have been properly joined together, the joint nut must be tightened. This joint nut is a special torque indicating nut with two nut heads to ensure that the proper installation torque is applied. A torque wrench having 150 Nm force should be used to tighten this joint nut. Ensure the tightening of the joint bolts as per torque values shown. When proper torque is applied, the outer nut head will get sheared off. Now tighten this nut by further half turn to make it double nut system so as to avoid loosening of the joint. After each joint nut is tightened to the proper torque, the joint covers can be installed. When the protection is IP54, the bottom and top joint cover are provided. Attach these covers to the bus duct with bolts provided along with the bus duct. Securely tighten all hardware of the bottom and top joint covers. For IP55 protection, side covers are also provided apart from bottom and top covers as shown. Thus, we have successfully performed the joint installation of two elements of the S-line bus duct. Ensure that the bus duct installation is in straight alignment, whether horizontally or vertically, in order to obtain a proper jointing system.